Announcements for English assembly. So this is very useful episode. So I am going to teach you today through this presentation the useful structures that phrases that you can use when you conduct morning English assembly. So let's move forward. Announcements at English morning assembly. So let's see how to start the assembly. So you can use this. Good morning, students. We are delighted to have you all here. Welcome, young minds, to another enriching assembly. Hello, future leaders. It's a pleasure to see you all gathered here today. A hearty welcome to each and every student present in this assembly. Dear friends, I extend a warm welcome as we come together for today's assembly. Brothers and sisters, your presence here adds a special energy to this assembly. Hello, bright minds. Let's dive into our assembly with a warm welcome. Young talents, welcome to a new assembly filled with inspiration and learning. Good morning, lovely brothers and sisters. Today's English assembly is a wonderful opportunity to realize the impact of effective communication. Let's engage, learn, and grow as we explore the value of mastering the English language. Greetings, everyone. In this English morning assembly, we delve into the significance of clear communication. Join us as we unlock doors to better understanding, both in the academic world and beyond. Good morning, everyone. Today we come together for our English morning assembly. This is a special time when we celebrate the importance of English language and communication. Through stories, discussions, and activities, we enhance our English skills and broaden our horizons. So let's make the most of this assembly as we discover the value of effective communication and the doors it can open in our lives. Let's enjoy this enriching journey together. Hello all. Our English morning assembly is here to help us appreciate the beauty of language. Through conversations and shared experiences, we'll discover how strong language skills can shape our success and connections. Welcome, dear friends. Our English assembly is a chance to emphasize the importance of language proficiency. Through interactive sessions, let's recognize how English skills empower us to express and connect. This English morning assembly is all about recognizing language's worth. Let's participate eagerly as we grasp the ways English proficiency can elevate our confidence and interactions. Inviting for religious observances. Respected attendees, we extend a heartfelt invitation to join us for a moment of religious observance during our assembly. Let us come together in reflection and unity as we honor this sacred time. Dear all, we humbly invite you to partake in a religious observance that holds significance to many. Greetings to all. In the spirit of our diverse faiths, we invite you to join us for a brief religious observance during our assembly. Dear members of our assembly, we invite you to join us in a time of religious reflection. Good morning, honored guests. We warmly welcome you to partake in a moment of religious observance during our assembly. Your presence amplifies the significance of this spiritual time for us all. Inviting for hoisting school flag. Respected Madam, we are honored to extend a special invitation to you for a significant moment in our school's tradition. As a beacon of inspiration and guidance, we cordially invite you to hoist our school flag. I cordially invite you to join us in the symbolic act of unity and pride as we hoist our school flag. Let us come together to uphold the values it represents. Dear sisters, I invite you all to gather for a special moment as we raise our school flag high. Your presence here, your presence is vital as we mark this occasion. Inviting for singing the school song. Music has the power to bind us in harmony. Join us as we sing our school song. I extend a special invitation to all of you to come together and sing our school song. It's time to raise our voices and sing as one. Join us in a heartwarming rendition of our school song. Inviting for a speech. Hey everyone, as we gather for our assembly, I am excited to introduce a friend who's been a true inspiration. They've got something amazing to share that I believe will resonate with us all. Let's give a warm welcome to who's graciously agreed to take the stage and share their insights. Your words matter, and we are eager to hear what you have to say. Take it away. Hey, listen up, everyone. We've got with us and they've got something awesome to share. Let's give them a big round of applause and welcome them to the stage. Take it away. Attention, everyone. Our friend is about to take the spotlight. Let's give them a warm welcome as they come up and share their thoughts. It's your moment. Join me in welcoming our very own to the stage. They are here to share something special. So let's give them a big cheer as they get ready to speak. Take it away. Our respected colleagues, it is with great honor that I extend an invitation to address us today. Possesses a wealth of knowledge and insights that we believe will enrich our gathering. I kindly request to join us on the podium and share their valuable perspective. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome as they prepare to deliver their speech. Inviting for a song. Good morning, everyone. We have a special treat in store for our morning assembly. We are inviting to grace the stage with their musical talents. Get ready to be serenaded and uplifted by their performance. The spotlight is yours. As we gather for our morning assembly, we are excited to infuse some musical magic into our day. Join us in welcoming to share their melodies, voice, and captivating song. We eagerly await your performance. Our morning assembly is about to get even more melodies. We've invited to enchant us with the song that's sure to resonate with all of us. Let's show our support and appreciation for their musical talent. As we kick off our morning assembly, we are honored to have join us on stage. Their beautiful voice and song choice promise to set a harmonious tone for the day. We are thrilled to have you share your musical gift with us. Our morning assembly is about to become a stage for musical brilliance. Join us in welcoming who will be gracing us with the captivating song. Your applause and encouragement will make this performance truly memorable. Now let's move on to another part, that is inviting for drama. Good morning everyone. Get ready to be captivated as we bring the world of theatre to our morning assembly. We are thrilled to announce a special drama for performance by our talented actors. Let's give a warm welcome to the cast of as they take us on exciting theatrical journey. As we gather for our morning assembly, we have a delightful surprise in store. Our creative minds have been working hard to bring you a captivating drama performance. Inviting for a dialogue. Good morning everyone. Today our morning assembly takes a thought-provoking turn as we present a captivating dialogue. Join us in welcoming and as they engage in an insightful exchange on let's lend our ears and minds to this enriching dialogue. As we gather for our morning assembly, we invite you to a dynamic dialogue that promises to stimulate our thinking. Please join us in welcoming and as they engage in a meaningful conversation on greetings, esteemed audience. Get ready to be engaged as we present a dialogue that delves into. It's an honor to introduce and who will share their perspectives and ideas in a thought-provoking conversation. Inviting for storytelling. I'm honored to announce a storytelling session for our morning assembly. We welcome student's name who will share a tale of inspiration and thoughtfulness. Your presence is awaited for this enriching narrative. It is with great pleasure that we present a storytelling segment in our morning assembly. Kindly join us as transports us through a compelling narrative highlighting valuable lessons and wisdom. Greetings, respected audience. Today, our morning assembly will feature a storytelling presentation by. We look forward to your participation in this engaging session that promises to stimulate imagination and reflection. Dear members of our assembly, I am delighted to inform you about a special storytelling event. We'll share a tale of significance, urging us to contemplate and appreciate the power of narrative. Your presence is deeply valued. Good morning, distinguished participants. As we gather for our assembly, we anticipate a storytelling session led by their narrative prowess will guide us through a story that resonates with our shared experiences and values. Inviting for English teacher to wrap up the assembly. Dear teacher's name there you have to mention. We kindly invite you to wrap up our assembly with your words of wisdom. Your presence and insights would bring a meaningful conclusion to our gathering. As we draw our morning assembly to a close, I am honored to extend an invitation to our esteemed English teacher. Then, with their eloquence and wisdom, will lead us in a thoughtful wrap-up that encapsulates the essence of today's gathering. Let us welcome to the stage as we conclude this assembly with words that resonate and inspire. Yes, now we have come to the end of the episode. How to wind up the morning assembly. So you can use one of these. As we conclude our assembly, I want to extend my sincere appreciation to all of you for being a part of this gathering. Your presence enriches our community, and I am grateful for your active participation. Let's carry the spirit of today's assembly forward as we continue our journey of growth and learning. As we conclude our English assembly, let's remember that every word we choose, every sentence we craft, has the potential to make a difference. Let's embrace the beauty of language and use it to inspire, connect, and create positive change. Thank you for being a part of this meaningful gathering. And so, as we bring our English assembly to a close, let us carry with us the power of words, the beauty of language, and the connections we forge today. Remember, each sentence we construct, each word we choose, holds the potential to shape our world. As you leave this assembly, let us voices be a force for positive change, and let your words inspire, uplift, and unite. Thank you for being a part of this enriching experience. So that is how you can use in these important events or the segments when you organize morning assembly. So I think you would use these things in your assembly, and I wish your assemblies, if you use these sentences and important phrases, you can make a successful assembly. So wish you all the best. See you in another very important episode. Thank you.